there guys, my name is Miel Mendones and welcome to my first vlog. Hindi ko alam what should be the flow of this vlog, pero my intent is just to introduce. Many things are happening. Every seasons of my life seems kinda hard this day, but I'm creating this vlog for me to document every parts of a season where I can cherish in my future or someday I can cherish it all kung paano niya inulma yung future na ako. And yeah, maybe dahil sentimental din ako na tao kaya I'm doing this vlog. Actually, way back before I'm already, since elementary pa lang, I have already my interest about vlogging, pero hindi siya natutuloy due to some circumstance. I remember that from way back before, wala pang equipments, and then nagkaroon ng equipment ngayon pero wala namang courage or walang intent or wala akong firm na plano about sa kung ano yung i-vlog ko. Pero during these days, I realized na ang bilis ng buhay, ang dami nangyayari, pero I'm afraid na balang araw kapag may narating ako or I will come to a point na gusto kong balikan yung mga memories or mga alaala. Paano ako naging ganito, paano ako na-reach yung ganito, at paano yung mga nangyayari way back before. At least ito, magiging instrument para may mabalikan ako and wala akong miss out. And I can pretty much learn every part of it na nangyari sa buhay ko. I am now already 18 years old and I think ilang days na lang. I think by ngayon kasi is Thursday and my birthday is Tuesday and today is June 25, so 5 days from now it is my birthday. I am finally turning into my last chapter of a teenager, 19 years old. And grabe, ang bilis ng panahon. Parang dati lang, high school life, now college life, and now turning adult. Dami nangyari. Pero, I acknowledge it as a blessing pa rin. And may this vlogs or, may this channel, and may this plan flourish as I grow on with this life, as this life goes on and on and on. And kung bago ka pa lang dito, I want to inform you guys about my intent. It's just purely me documenting kasi hindi ako mahilig magsulat. So I think I can express during these vlogs about what I should learn, what should I, alam mo yun, pero ako sulatin yung mga na-experience ko na bagay-bagay, mga na-realize, why not documenting it in video? Kaya may ganito. Kung you are a friend and you know me, I'm doing this channel just for me, with not intent of being famous, for views or a lot of subscribers. Just for me, healing and appreciating this life. And I thank you for your time in watching this channel, and I think that's pretty much it, where I want to vlog everything. Naway sa magiging journey ko, nakasama ka, nanonood ngayon, and may matutunan ka din sa akin or may-get along sa mga kabaliwan or sa mga kakulitan ko in life. And I'm pretty much excited as I look forward sa kung ano pang madadala sa akin ng buhay at ng mga plano ko sa buhay ko. And ngayon pa lang thankful na ako kasi I got to step this far. And while filming myself right now, ang init, di ba? Pero yun, I look forward na hindi ko lang basta madodocument yung mga ganap ko sa buhay, pero I got to find myself as I pursue being better at makabawi sa mga bagay-bagay. Hindi man siguro nagiging maganda yung mga nangyari ngayon for my season, for my current season. Pero I know, as I look ahead, someday, even not today, but someday, life will be more kind, life will be more happy. And yeah, this is me. Pero yeah, as I conclude this vlog, thank you again for watching and for your time, and I hope you, as I look forward, you also look forward and expect just nothing but to heal things and to just pahalagahan yung mga bagay-bagay sa kung anong mga mangyayari. So that's pretty much it. Thank you, and see you sa kung anong magiging journey ko.